Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD before the Christmas. As I said in my previous video on gold that I was not planning to make any videos because market was very slow. But yesterday we saw some big moments in the market, unexpected moments in the market, so I'm back again. So first of all, let's look at the chart of DXY. Hmm. So this is the Forex chart of DXY, and yesterday we saw heavy selling on DXY. As a result, there was good buying on gold, there was good buying on GBP, USD, and Euro USD. As we all know, there is a correlation. When dollar goes up, Euro USD, GBP, USD, they all go down, and when dollar goes down, they all go up. Yesterday, when there was a selling on the chart of DXY, okay, DXY, um, yes, there was some movement in other pairs, and right now DXY is trying to take temporary support. Yes, I'm using the word temporary here because 96 is not a very strong support for not a very the strongest support for the chart of DXY. If you want the strongest support for a DXY, then it is 95.80 and 95.50. These two are the strongest support for DXY. This is a support but not very strong in comparison these two supports. Okay, and at the top we have resistance at 96.6070. This resistance is still very much valid. Okay, but let's discuss about this level right now. So as I just said, 96 is not a very strong support. So if market comes down or if market breaks the level of 96 level, then market will be testing the 95.80. This is the S1 support one for market. And if market comes down to this level, then obviously we will see some good buying on GB Euro USD and GBP USD again. On the other hand, if market takes support and starts going up from here or bounces from this level, then there will be selling on the chart of not selling a profit booking or some kind of selling. Okay, not the heavy trend reversal or have that kind of selling will be on Euro USD. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY. This particular level of 96 level is important. If it breaks, next level will be 95.80, and if it bounces from here, then obviously it will be going up. Okay, so let's look at the chart of Euro USD now. So Euro USD is standing at the current market price is 1.1339 1339. And if you have watched my other videos on Euro USD, previous videos, then you know it very well that this level is acting as a very strong resistance for Euro USD for quite some time. Okay, this is a resistance zone for Euro USD, and Euro USD are almost standing at the resistance zone. Okay, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, you should not be initiating any fresh call. Okay, if you have already buy position, then yes, you can hold the buy call for quite some time, or if you have already exited, then also you don't need to worry. But if you are looking for a fresh buy position on Euro USD, then my dear friend, I'll say that this is not the ideal spot. Why? Because see, market has almost reached the resistance, and in case DXY witnesses some selling, breaks the level of 96, then Euro USD may be going up. But right now, in this present market condition, when we do not have much volume, when the market is very slow here, there's a the chances of market breaking the level of 1.1380, the line at the top, is very less. Okay, because right now we do not have any big event also coming up, so chances are very less that Euro USD will be breaking the level right now. Okay, so this is a whole seller zone. Yes, this is a whole seller zone, resistance zone, so this is not the ideal spot to initiate any fresh buy call. So as I just said on the chart of DXY, if Euro US DXY goes down, then 95.80 to 95.50 will be acting as the very strong support. So Euro USD will be coming down again, and you can take a sell position. Okay. And if you have already taken a sell position, okay, then you please be on the trade. You do not need to exit. Okay. More or less you have done the right thing only. Okay, it may be an early entry, okay, but yes, it has reached the resistance zone. You have taken, if you have taken a sell position, then also it's okay. Okay, but what I'll suggest is that in this market condition, taking a sell position after some time will be a better, because DXY will be bouncing from the support and Euro USD will be going down. That is a logic, simple and plain logic here. Okay, and in case it comes down, then this level 1.1260 will be acting as a support, and in case this level fails also, okay, then the trend line coming from the down will be coming as the support, or the level of 1.1235 or 20 will be support. But right now, I don't think so that we will be witnessing this kind of heavy volatility or sharp selling in the market, okay, because usually we see that during the Christmas season, okay, market is very flat, very slow. Okay, so let's see where the market goes. And after all, market is full of surprises. So if there's any surprise or any unexpected volatility comes up, I'll be coming down tomorrow again. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and happy Merry Christmas.